Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really interesting makeup look. It's inspired by this e-girl makeup look which my friend Shivali actually suggested. I'm sorry if I mentioned your name on this channel, but yeah, she suggested me this video. So I'm going to be doing this e-girl makeup look. Like, I was not at all familiar with this concept. I just looked up on internet, saw some few makeup looks. So if I go wrong somewhere, please forgive me, okay? And talking about this e-girl makeup look, it is heavily inspired by the goth culture. So you can see I'm wearing black and I'm wearing a black choker, which I will never ever wear a black choker. It's so outdated. And yeah, that's about it. I'm going to be starting with the makeup, and while I'm doing the makeup, I'll tell you what all they do and what, I'm just gonna be telling you how do they do. It's like a goth mixed with pop. So yeah, we are going to be doing that. And I look, this choker is actually choking, but I just don't like this choker. Okay, first up we're gonna start off with some glitter. Like you can see, my face is shining with moisturizer. So I have already prepped my skin. I'm going to be starting with the primer. So I'm using this Wet n Wild matte primer, since it is hot these days and I'm so sweaty. I'm going to be taking this. I'm going to apply all across my face, since my whole face is sweaty and shiny. Next up, we are going to start with our base, the foundation. So for base, what I they have very pale skin. Like if you see the culture, only the goth the goth culture, they have very pale skin. So I'm going to make my skin a little bit more pale, and I'm going to be using a shade up. And guess who has all the wrong shades in their wardrobe? Me, not wardrobe, vanity. First up, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild foundation to actually correct, it has that reddish tone. So this will be like a base, so that when I apply the lighter foundation, my face does not look grey. Okay, now you can see clearly the difference between my skin and this. Like, it's a tad bit darker, because this foundation is darker for me. Like I said, who has all the wrong shades of foundation in their vanity? Me. Next up, I'll be taking this L'Oreal foundation, Infallible. Taking a pump of it on my hand. Get it down on my neck as well. Blend it all nicely. Okay, so after foundation, we move on to concealer, and I'm going to be using this Maybelline concealer, the Fit Me concealer. So this is really good. Okay, so I'm done with blending the concealer, and I have applied some compact powder to set it. Now we'll be quickly moving on to eyebrows. After doing my eyebrows, I'm going to start with a little bit of bronzing up my face. I'll be bronzing up my face a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Wet n Wild bronzer and just bronzing up my face a little. Okay, so I wanted to mention one thing. E-girls and me, we have something common. We both love blushes. Okay, I'm considering e-girl as one girl, but yeah, whatever. So we just love blushes. So I'm also going to, they have literally red cheeks. So I'm going to go heavy on blush. Am I heavy enough on blush? Yeah, I think so. I'll go on the other one. Okay, so let's do highlighter now. We are going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. Now for the eye makeup, they keep it really simple. They use colors basically. They do use colors, but they keep it really simple, not a lot. So for eye makeup today, I'm going to be using this Swiss Beauty palette. Just going to be taking this peachy brown color over here and laying it on my eyes. Make sure you blend the colors properly, and like I say always, bring the color down. Then I'll be taking this middle one, orange, and just putting it on my lid. And that's about it. That's it. I'm not gonna use a lot of colors. So I'm done with both the eyes. I'm going to be doing the inner corner highlight for both because that's one thing I've observed a lot of them doing. Like, they do their inner corner highlight properly. Okay, coming on to the most major part, like the major part. They really do their eyeliner properly, and they have a nice winged liner. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be using the Faces Magnetize eyeliner to draw a nice wing. Yep, that's my wing today. Moving on to the other eye, which is going to be a Herculean task because I'm really bad with. Okay, I'm done with my eyes. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. This is the mini version. So now, after doing the eyes, the dramatic eyes, what we are going to do, they have a small graphic figure like a star or a heart on their cheeks, okay, on their cheekbones specifically. So I'm going to draw the same. And for the other side, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be drawing a triangle on my lower lash line. I do the triangle on both my eyes and the heart only for one. For the lip part, what I'm going to be doing is first I'm going to apply a nude, a nice nude. So this is the nude from Lakme. Then what I'm going to do is on the inner side, what happened to it? Again, a lipstick from Lakme, only on the inner side. And then I'm going to go with this Essence gloss all over. The lips are very, very glossy. Hey guys, I'm back with my hairdo. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back with my hairdo. I don't think you can see my eyes from my bangs, but yeah, this is the e-girl look. I really had fun creating this look. Do let me know if you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. And comment down below if you have any kind of video request or if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel, and that's all for today's video. Love you all. Bye bye.